Oh my god.
It's incredible. Oh my
It caught a fucking bird?
god. Wow.
Is it eating the fish?
The,
He's literally drowning the bird in its mouth.
what? That's insane.
Wow.
You're getting this on video,
Yes.
right? Are you getting close to it? I mean, I guess we're never having fish babies again, and now we know why our fish are dying.
Where'd it go?
He's right here. I see him. He's coming over here. Oh, he's right.
That's it.
He's coming up.
This is a perfect backflip. That thing is huge.
It's grown since it's been here, right?
Is it right now, like, by
Right
you?
in front of me, yeah. The fish is so curious. Look at that.
You just killed a bird and you're a frog.
I bow down.
Wow.
Look at those fins.